The semester is already halfway through and you're already tired and exhausted. And when I'm talking about tired, it's not the kind of tiredness that wants you to sleep early. The type of tiredness that makes you wake up already exhausted. Now, if you are this person I'm talking about, this video is for you. My name is Moses Michele Agaskia and I am a final year student in Ahmadu Bello University. I use this platform to talk to students and give them practical steps that actually work. If you are this person I spoke about earlier, you're already tired, you're exhausted, you have little energy for other things. Now, this video is for you, as I said. What is happening to you is not laziness. It is what I call end of semester fatigue. You have already run through the semester doing tests, attending classes, writing and assignments, doing group work where you probably are the only person putting in much effort in the group. You have to manage your finance. At the end of the day, you still have to ensure you eat good food. These are things that get you exhausted. Now, in this video, I am not here to tell you to push through. No, I'm going to tell you something else. I'm not here to tell you to work harder. No, I'm going to give you things you can actually do to make things easier. The major problem is you are trying to do the same thing you did at the beginning of the semester with lesser energy right now. That is wrong. What you are supposed to do is actually to strategize and do things smarter, and this is what I am here to tell you. I've broken it down into different things, and here they are. The first one is to work with the scale of preference. List out everything you have based on weight it is carrying, based on level of importance. When I say weight now, let's assume you are listing out the courses you have to study based on weight, based on credit units, based on level of importance or urgency. Now is which is more urgent. It is better you attend to assignment you are submitting next tomorrow than studying for exam that is coming in the next 7 weeks. So list them based on importance and pick them once at a time. You don't have to go through everything at once. Solve them, settle every situation based on the level of importance. The second thing is to shrink your study session. Maybe at the beginning of the semester, you're already reading 10, 15 hours, maybe 12, 8 hours a day. Now, this time you already have lesser energy. You can shrink it down to 2 hours, then you rest and go for another 2 hours, or 1 hour, rest, refresh, go out for another 1 hour, or even 30 minutes. It is better to read for few hours. It is better to read for few hours and remember and retain than to go through those long hours going through your book over and over again and then you are unable to understand or retain anything. The third thing is to prioritize your sleep. Don't forget to always prioritize your sleep. I don't see the reason why you need to be doing TDD over and over again. Prioritize your sleep. Your brain consolidates memory while sleeping. Your brain is able to retain and remember after the sleep. So try to ensure after reading you rest, you sleep, get refreshed. The next day or whenever you wake up, you should be able to remember what you read and then be able to know what you need to put in more energy on. This is also very important. Another thing is ask for help. There are courses that probably are beyond you or they are hard or looking so complex. You don't have to spend long hours trying to understand it alone. Look out for maybe a course mate or a senior or someone that can help you put you through these courses and make you understand better. Now, these are the major things that will help you. But then let's bring it back to Nigerian context, to Nigerian public university context. You are probably staying in the hostel that is noisy and then it's making it difficult for you to study in the hostel. So the early hours in the library is one of the most underrated hours in school. Early hours in the library, you see few students, less noise, less movement, less distraction, and you study and your brain is already feeling more energized. It's already having energy to understand. For people that know me, any day I'm going to the library, then be sure that they are going to open the library with me. Any day I plan to spend the day in the library, then be sure that they will open that library with me. That is how I do my thing. Now, the next thing is for group works when probably you are the one putting in the energy, other group members are not putting in such energy as much as you are putting in. You don't have to carry everyone, so what you can do, document, write down what you can write, reach out to the lecturer and explain your situation. This is what your group members are doing. I think we're past the days where you have to carry everyone's weight. Let everybody carry his own weight. Don't do everything yourself. You have other things to attend to. Another thing is most times we wake up with a list of 8, 10, 15 things we want to do for that day, and that alone is weighing us. So we are waking up already feeling tired because we have planned to do many things that day. Every single morning, ask yourself this question: what is one thing I can do today? What is one thing I can do today that will make the semester more easier for me, or manage the semester for me, or make me achieve my goal at the end of the semester? Do that one thing. Then, if you have other time left, or if you have time left, you can attend to other things. Now, if you can do one single thing successfully, completely every day, by the end of the week, you have done 7 different things that is making the semester easier for you, and then you must have touched other things. You don't have to write 15 things altogether to do it. I hope this is helpful. Eh, Kindly like, follow, share this. Kindly like, follow, and share this video with others if you learn